back here at Shinyang MRT, and by now you should know that Shinyang Station means that we're gonna do something with water today. We're not gonna go swimming in the river, at least that's not on the plan. I hope we're not gonna end up in the water. And we're not gonna go and see a waterfall today. We are gonna go and check out 1,000 islands, and around these 1,000 islands there will be lakes. We're gonna catch a bus here. We're gonna catch the green line number 12 to the 1,000 islands, and then we're gonna take it from there. So the buses leave once per hour, but you should definitely be on time because, as you can see, it's a very popular area and a lot of people want to go and check out the islands. After a 45-minute bus ride, we arrived at the bus stop, Shirsangu, in the middle of nowhere. And then you want to continue walking along the road. This road specifically is famous for going to Yilan. It's famous for having a lot of people driving super fast going to Yilan. It appears to be one of the more popular motorcycle roads. We've seen a lot of heavy motorcycles, not just normal scooters. And it seems to be not the slow riders here either. And then after a couple of 100 meters, you take a right down. So you have to actually walk down and just, I assume, keep walking until you see a great view. So once you come here to the road that goes down to the right, that looks like it's gonna take you all the way down to the lakes, do not go down here. Just continue following the road. And then we will show you guys where to head down next. So as you can see, we brought a dog here today, or well, the dog brought us here today. We just met the dog up at the bus stop, so we have nothing to do with the dog, but it takes us all the way down to the lake right now.
There's a drone.
Where?
Really? I hear it.
It's a car, it's a car.
No. Wait, listen. No?
This is where I edit and put like helicopter sounds. So
Yeah, there's a car, là, Apache helicopter.
Military.
So when you come here, this is Yongan Mountain Trail. Then you want to follow the car here, minivan. You want to take a left, and it's gonna be 700 meters down to this amazing viewing area instead of 2 kilometers. Because the short route walks along the lake the whole time, and it's shorter. We walked the long road first, and there was nothing. We walked a normal road. We could still see the lake-ish, but there was no great views. There was some, very little. But then we came here, so we reached the end, which is nothing. It's just an end. There's no view spot. There's no water. There's nothing. And then we turned back now on the shorter path, and I'm walking back again. And this place is cool. It's like a little path right next to the lake. Have lots of beautiful places, and it has these like wooden bridges and stairs, and it's a lot prettier. So do yourself a favor, once you reach the road fork, just take the short route. The long road is not worth it. This is it, we finally arrived. This is the view we've been looking for this whole time. So we took a super long road to get here. We walked the long road, then we reached the end, and then we walked parts of the short road back to get here. You guys should definitely just stick to the short path. Once you reach here, just don't walk any further. There's nothing down there unless you want to see like the little wooden bridges and wooden stairs. There's no water at all if you continue walking that way. Here it is though. So I do have a confession to make. I know I told you guys that once we hit 10,000 subscribers I was gonna buy a drone. We're not there yet, but I did buy a drone which we're gonna send up in the air right now. So I've already done my part. Now it's up to you to make sure that I get those 10,000 subscribers.
I got it. Wow.